American adults who like nicotine, like me, how to discover the smoking alternative.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've got another radio from Jeff. Jeff periodically brings some radios down from up in Jacksonville for me to review. He's got quite a collection, and this is another one of radio. This is radio's in very good shape, except for a little scratch right here on the face. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. I notice my camera's trying to focus all over the place. I should have taken it off of autofocus. This is AM only. It's AC and battery. Turn it over here, and I think it'll tell me that it requires 4 AA batteries. And it's, like I say, it's a AM only, or medium wave band. And it's quite heavy. I guess part of that is the, probably has a transformer for the AC to DC conversion. Very easy and smooth tuning. I wish it had, the tuning is so good, I wish it had shortwave. Really precise tuning. Here's the AC or battery switch. Here's the tone, high or low. This is the on-off and volume, and the tuning knob is over here. Since it's medium wave only, it does not have any telescopic antenna, and it sounds really good. Let me turn it back on here for a second. You're probably hearing my little fan in the background, because believe it or not, it's over 80 degrees today, and it's 82 in my workshop, which is really not that high, but my body has gotten used to the cool weather now, and 80 seems high, even though it's not that high. All right, let's turn it back on. Look, music, we can't play music, but it's got beautiful sound, nice sturdy carrying handle. It does not have, I don't think, it does not have an earphone jack. That's surprising. Oh, there it is. Yes, it does, right there. Good grief. I'm so blind, I can't even see. Oh, well, let me, so there's the dial right here. Let me show you how smooth this tunes. Really smooth. But I want to thank, and it receives a lot of stations, so it's picking up many stations here in my area. I want to thank Jeff for loaning these radios to me. I think this time I got 7, and I've only reviewed, I think, well, one was the headphones. I think I've reviewed 3 of them. So we're kind of behind on my shows. I still recovering from that food poisoning episode, 2 times in the emergency room, and I'm slowly getting better. But today I've been mostly better. I've had days where I was mostly bad, but today I've been mostly in good shape. I did some little bit of yard work with my neighbor's help, and I think we're on the road to recovery, and we're going to start catching up on all these videos. I still got like 4 more of Jeff's radios to review. I've got a very unique looking scanner radio someone sent me. We're booming with radios. All of a sudden I've got a bunch of radios to review. Thanks, Jeff, for sending me these radios, or bringing me these radios, and thank everybody for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.